Hey guys, it's Sammy B here, and today I'm changing the oil on my TTR 125 LE bike. So I've never done this before, and this is sort of a follow along if you don't know how to do it either, or just want to watch it for entertainment, whatever. So here we go. What you're going to want to do is take your bike, put it on the kickstand, you locate your nut that you need to unscrew, which is this guy right here, which I can show you. And then you're gonna wanna have your pan ready. You're gonna wanna have your oil ready. You're gonna wanna have your bike nice and pretty. Okay, anyways, so I will show you what that looks like. Okay, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is loosen this nut. Mine is a 17. Yours probably is too. All right, and then you just give her hard. You gotta be strong. Okay. Okay. Like a fucking idiot here. Oh. Come on. Come on. Where's the fucking... I need like... I'm like hurting myself. I need help. Fucking deck. Oh, I suck at this shit. I need like one of those extension bars things. I don't think I see one anywhere. Actually, I might have one in my trunk. I'm gonna go try that. You know, hacks. Mechanic hacks. No big deal. Just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. I'm back with some tools that might help me out. So here I have the end of a vacuum attachment. Right, it's plastic, so not really sure how that's gonna work, but we'll give it a try. So just go like, okay, I can feel it. No, that's not gonna work already. So at least we tried. Second thing, found this. What the fuck are you doing? My brother's gonna think I'm such an idiot. I need a hammer. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay. BRD. Alright, so sometimes you need external forces. So you take your hammer if you can't get it because you're weak like me. It's alright. I don't know why I suck at this shit. Fuck! Sometimes you gotta call external forces. Because I can't fucking get this shit. I don't know why I can't get it. Probably because like no one's done it in the past like 2 owners.
Probably.
So anyways.
Try it by hand and I'll get a pipe.
Good shit. Hi, Susie. Whoa.
There you go.
Wow, thank you.
Pretend you can just like, if your acting's good, you can be like, just like pretend it cracks.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. Cece. Okay, there we go. Real nice. So, once you crack it, you keep pressure on it because it's gonna spray everywhere. And you don't want that. Unless you do want that. By all means, oil fights are fun, but anyways, I think I'm supposed to like hand do this now. So you just hold it till you feel all the threads out. Okay, so keep turning, and then you pull it. Oh shit, what the fuck? Hey, I got the washer before it got totally disappeared. All right, that's it. I thought it would spray a little more than that. That's what she said. This is why you change into not nice clothes before you do mechanic stuff. I never learned my lesson. Alright, so that's a nice black. The last owner, at least him, if not the guy before him, or girl, or whatever, never changed the oil in this bike. But I am, because I'm a good mechanic. So, you let it drain, just like that. And then you wait until it's done draining. Make sure most of the oil comes out. And wipe your hands on the ground. Yeah, just kind of make sure. You can kind of like rock your bike a little bit, such as this. Just to get it going a little bit more. But other than that, you're almost done. Home stretch, guys! So this is what that looks like, if you want to see up close. Just got your oil coming out into the pan. Don't forget to save your nut and washer. Heck yeah. What a beautiful little bike. Should put some stickers on it. I should, just for fun. Yep. So, once all of the oil is leaked out of the bike, and since this is my first time, I don't know where I was going with that, but whatever. They say like to tighten it and use your discretion or whatever. So I shook the bike a bit, try to make sure all the oil came out. I'm not sure if that's good enough. I feel like I should have a rag. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. You know, a little drip here and there, whatever. No big deal. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the screw back in, make sure the washer's on it. Yes, it is. Good. You hand tighten that. Sorry, my hair's like in the way. Use your discretion, I guess. Hand tighten it. My hands are so greasy. I think I'm pretty good at tightening. So you take your ratchet. Again, you're 17. The bolt size did not change while you were working on the bike. And if it did, I think you did something wrong. Okay, so you just, wow, that's like already really tight. Am I doing that? Like, oh. Okay, and then you just, come on. Oh, you can't even see. You can't even see my hard work. Can you see now? You're like, no. Oh, hello there. All right, and then you just, I will probably get my brother to come and tighten it one more time before I'm done. But, oh, that's pretty tight. All right, moving on. All right, so the next step is adding the oil. Where do we add it? I'll show you. It's this guy right here. So you just loosen that. Try to make sure if it's really dirty that no sand gets in there, because you don't want sand in your oil. You do not want that. There you go. Look at that. Bone dry. Just kidding. Okay, just set it somewhere. Don't lose it. Next, what we're gonna do is add the oil. So first, you loosen it. I suck at opening things. This is a great video. So, make sure it's sealed or whatever. These bikes take, mine's an 06, did I say that? This is an 06 Yamaha. They take 1 full quart or liter. It's equivalent to the same amount. So you just gotta open it. So I need something sharp. Ow! Alright. Got the thing off. I'm sure it won't be that much work for you guys. Oh, I should probably have a funnel. Just go and get a funnel at this point. Okay, after you get a funnel and drip half the oil, whatever is left in it, on your bare feet. Because that definitely didn't happen. It's recording, right? Yeah. You stick the funnel in there. This one's fancy, it's got a filter. And just make sure you get all those fucking bugs out of there, because that's disgusting. Ew. Ew. Whatever. Okay! Even though it's got a filter. Oh, my eyes are burning. Holy cow. Alright, and then you just slowly dump it in. Can you see? Can you guys see what I'm doing? You just dump the oil in. Nice, clear, beautiful oil. Not too fast, not too slow. Just the pace of a tango. Good one, Samara. Alright. Ooh, so pretty. I'm gonna go for a ride after this. I don't know about you guys. Fall is in the air. And I want to get more riding out. Or in. Before the snow comes. And can you imagine what kind of fun videos we're gonna make then? Probably all of my brother snowboarding. What? And Cece wants to help. Okay. That's it. That's all she wrote, folks. Just gonna make sure it all drains out there. Actually, I can see in there with the sun shining. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my cap and I'm taking some paper towel and I'm just kind of cleaning around the edges and inside because it is actually pretty dirty. Again, wasn't me who did this. It was the owners before, but why blame now? Because it doesn't matter. But anyways, what's important is that I'm deciding to take care of this bike. I got it last year. And if you want, I could make some videos of me riding it. I don't have a GoPro, but I could probably tape a camera to my helmet. Okay. Just get it like as, I don't know, as clean as you can. Like, you're not gonna get it perfect. Kind of like get in the threads there with your nail. Try to get some of that rock out. I don't know if your guys is as sandy as mine, but whatever. I think we're pretty much good here. So, take that. Maybe if you want, you can clean around the edge. Try not to let it fall in. Can you see my leg being totally in the way? Okay. And then, screw it back in. There we go. And that is how you change the oil on your TTR 125 LE dirt bike. For more videos on anything at all, leave a comment below because that's awesome. and I'm gonna go for a rip. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! Brop brop. Just kidding. So lame. Okay, bye!